am ready for the task. I know what I want as a prince. I am ready for the humiliations.
Good day, my queen. Please sit. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, someone recommended you as one of the best caterers in town. Me? Thank you very much for accepting the recommendation. Yes, I am having a function on the palace by next week. And I want you to prepare your best delicacies. My queen, I'll give you my best. Honestly, I will. Your best is what I want. And that is why I'm giving you this check. My queen, 5 million naira. I believe that will be enough to feed my guests with your best delicacies. More than enough, my queen. How many persons are you expecting? About 30 people. It's just an introduction. 5 million naira for 30 people. I am busy inside. Go and start your preparation at once. $5 million naira. My queen, God bless you. Thank you very much. Long live my queen.
Hey, Mama, like you mean the queen gave you 5 million naira to cook for just 30 people?
My daughter, I am on pressure as you're looking at me. Very big pressure. I don't even know who recommended me to this rich monarch. Naira. I cannot remember having 5 million naira written in my account, let alone having the check in my palms. 5 million naira check. Hey! Chimo! This is good. If I think I should return the check. Mama? Sigini? Mama,
Fichaya, Mama.
Fichaya.
Now return again.
Return what, Mama? It's too much now.
5 million naira.
So that they can at least know.
Mama, cool down. This is royalty we are talking about.
Exactly.
They want you to cook for the high and mighty. 100,000. No, now. You're cooking for big people. So they have to give you big money.
Big money.
You understand? Mama, if I would advise you, don't return this money. What we need to do is to give them our best that day. We wash our hand and cook the food we are going to serve.
You're right. I will wash them. In that case now, I will employ 10, 15, like 20 girls. Pay them cash.
Mama, you have money. Mama, you know me.
Too much money. I have never in my life seen 5 million naira written in my account, let alone having it 5 million naira check in my palms. Just wicked, yes. This is surely the hand of God.
Hello, son. Son?
Thank you for welcoming me into your house.
Thanks for coming here to see me.
Yeah, I heard you are getting married to Ifunanya. That's why I'm here.
Oh yes, that is true. We're getting married.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I will give you a duplex in one of the estates in the city.
Wow.
I will have my lawyer sign all the documents tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. You have a big heart. Thank you. But Mr. Henry, there's something I want to say. And please don't take it wrongly. I really appreciate your kindness. But the truth is that I will not really be needing the duplex.
Do you know what you are talking about? I am not asking you to rent the place. I am giving it out to you, everything in your name.
I understand. I just feel that some other persons in need would need it more. You know, we have orphanages. You know, you can donate it to one of the orphanages in town. You know, you can also look into taking care of widows. That building can go a long way in helping so many people as opposed to just one person. That's how I see it. I'm sorry, I hope you're not.
Do you mean you would like to stay in this kind of environment?
Well, let's just say I'm being selfless. Besides, this place is not my destination. I will grow, people grow. Before I came here, some people were living here. But now they have progressed, they have grown, they have moved. So I'm here for now. I'll also progress and I'll also move. And I think you should affect more lives with that building. Please. Please. I hope you're not angry.
Not at all.
Thank you, sir.
Next tomorrow is our festival. Yamana today. You will go and meet your no. Tell him to inform everybody, all the elders, the whole kingdom, that that festival is hereby postponed.
But, Igwe, why? Why?
I intended to celebrate that festival with my whole family. But as it were, my family is incomplete. My son?
Yes.
Hello?
Dad.
You're on your way to the palace.
Yes, Dad. I'm on my way back to Amanato. He's happy.
Calm.
See you soon, Dad.
Everybody is here. Your mother is here. Your sister is here. Everybody. Okay, talk to your mother.
Please, I want to speak. Hello, son. How are you? Is this your voice I'm hearing? Oh, I have missed you so much. Yes. It's all right. You see, mention anything you want to eat and I will personally make it happen. All right? Okay, my dear. All right, let me give to your sister.
Hello,
I have to come with you. All right.
Now, you go. In fact, that message I gave you is now null and void. My son is coming. We are going to celebrate the festival.
Hey! May God be praised. The prince is coming.
He's happy.
You should be happy.
Our prince is
What are you still doing?
Mama, I'm coming. I'm almost done.
Almost done.
Yes. Please.
Sandra, we're running late. I've sent food to the palace. People are there waiting for us and we're still here.
Mama, I'm sorry. I'll soon finish.
So, how about Ifnaya? Has her number connected?
No, Mama. I've been calling the same old story.
What is happening?
I don't even
Have
know.
you checked in Afam's place since she's not in the house?
Yes, Mama. I even went there. Afam's place is a kind of deserted. Nobody is there. The door is locked. The compound looks like where they... Mama, please, allow me to finish.
Anyway, look at time. I cannot afford to go late to that place. Please, just keep trying her number. I believe it will connect.
Okay.
And hasten up, please.
I'm almost done.
Hey, sweetheart. I think that we have passed the landmark that you described there. We can't spot you. Oh, okay. After the landmark, it's still in front, after the market square. Okay. All right. We'll be there. Yeah. All right, keep going. There's a market in front after the market square.
Round and round.
Could it be that we are in a different village?
That's what I'm thinking. Because we've passed this road before.
Sorry, I think we'll have to ask questions again. Ask questions. Okay. It's turning, so. They look like friends. Yes, we can see guards. You park here. Just stop.
Beautiful place, Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people, what a beautiful place, yeah.
I greet you, Royal Guards.
Greetings too.
We are looking for Mazi Okonkwo's compound.
In this our village?
Oh yes, oh yes.
I have no idea because nobody answers that name in our village.
Okay. It's all right. We are going to a young lady's house for marriage introduction. She said once we get to this point that some people will come and pick us.
Is she from Royal home?
Royal Gate? No, not at all, no.
The only girl that are doing her marriage introduction is our princess. She's not Ifunanya, she's Princess Fiona Ukamaka Onoha. From the royal family of King Williams Odenga Onoha.
Ah, royal girl. Okay, she is not a royal girl. Just a normal girl like us. Huh? It's okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye for now. Huh? Bye for now.
This is Africa. This is Africa.
Your Majesty.
What are they saying? Is it that we've missed our way or we are in a different village?
Your Majesty, they said no Okonkwo family in this kingdom.
What?
In fact, as a matter of fact, that their princess is the only girl expecting her groom to be in the palace today.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Are you sure we've not missed our way?
I wouldn't know, Your Majesty. I wouldn't know.
My king.
Yes.
Is it not better we visit the royal home? At least from there we can locate our way. They might be of help.
I think you're right. Chidozie.
Your Majesty.
We will be going to visit the palace. Eh? So go and pass the message to my son, the prince.
Right away.
This is Africa.
Let's go.
This is Africa. My heritage. My mother's land. Our culture and tradition, they are unique.
My prince, from the look of things, it seems we've missed our way. But Your Majesty said we should visit
Africa,
the royal house.
Beautiful place.
Okay.
Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah.
My princess, we did not see such description of person. We have been waiting. No, my princess. The only people that pass this road are royal family. I spotted the famous king of Amanato Kingdom. They are the only people that pass this road, my princess.
But you have been here now, nobody passed you.
He said that they are coming with a bus now. I've not seen any bus now. Your royal family are just...
Well, we're at the palace. Yes. Sweetheart, what had happened was that we lost track of the address you gave to us, so we decided to make a quick stop at the Igwe's palace and pay homage to the king of your community. But I'm still coming, though. I'll still show up. I gave you my word that I'll be there with my people. So it's a quick stop, and then we'll locate you still.
Turn around.
No, listen. You don't understand. We're at the palace. Okay? I'm at the right place. What are you talking about? The right place?
That is why I said you should turn around.
Turn.
Hello?
Thank you, Mr. Teresa Tawamono.
It is not a prank. It's me. Ifunanya. How would I say Fiona?
What? Oh my goodness, this is inexplicable. You're a princess.
And you are a prince.
You've got to be kidding.
No wonder our blood connected immediately we met. Prince Afamefula.
What?
You know, we shouldn't be keeping our guests waiting. I mean, we have more people to surprise in there. My father, the king of Otu Kingdom, is in there waiting for us. So if you wouldn't mind, be my guest.
Of course I'll be your guest.
Shall we?
After you.
What is going on here? I beg you, tell me what is happening here. Am I dreaming? Tell me to wake up.
Of course you're not dreaming, Chidozie. Yes. Like we've been undercover for so long. She over there is the only daughter of King Williams Odega Onoha of this great Itu kingdom. Yes. And I'm her special maiden. So you see, all this whole school, selling of food, all those things are just to paint us for. She was actually looking for true love.
Oh.
And now we have it.
Oh.
I missed you.
Hey, brother, my heart is melting like wax. I miss you too.
I miss you so much.
I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love, love, Obibo. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love, love, Obibo.
I will look.
Oh no.
Wait a minute. What is going on here?
This is Ifunanya. And I found the bus driver. What is happening?
My king, what is our son doing with the princess?
I'm confused. Well, let us watch.
The famous royal house of His Majesty, King Harrison D.K. Obiago, the Council of Elders of Great Itu Kingdom. There's a saying that the branches of two trees can never touch each other, except if they are close or of equal height. It is on this note and with heart full of gratitude, I present my beautiful princess, Princess Fiona Chamaka Onoha. What? I said it. I said there was something special about you. Didn't I tell you? He's a prince.
Ifunanya. You? A princess?
Yes, it's me, Princess Fiona. The only princess of the great Itu Kingdom. I'll tell everyone here a very short and beautiful story. I decided to see the other side of life without anything concerning the palace, like the maidens, guards, convoys, and everything that has to do with a perfect royal home. I decided to embark on this undercover mission to find a man who would love me unconditionally. I mean, it was really, really hard for my parents, but I had to do it so I could get my own peace of mind. The beautiful Abigail here, who everyone thinks is my sister, is actually my maid. She played a very vital role by accompanying me to the other side of the common man's life and its environment. I became an orphan and a peasant, working also in a buka as a waitress, where I met different people with different lifestyles, beliefs, and all. In the course of my journey, I met the very beautiful woman sitting over there. She played a motherly role in my life. She did everything a mother would do for me. I call her my second mother. Would you all applaud her for me? And the very fine man sitting down here, Mr. Henry. He wanted to give me everything I already had in a million. I would also say thank you to him and wish you all will applaud him as well. It may surprise you to know, Mr. Henry, that I asked my father, the king, to award you the contract you got.
This is mind-blowing.
And also the food contract, Madam Mary Gods, was given to you by my father and my mother. Just to say thank you for being a mother to me.
I love you so much.
And I love you too. And to my very beautiful sister here, Sandra, I want to say thank you and wish I can get a hug from you, please.
No, please, please. I'm shaking.
Come on, sister, oblige me, please. Please. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything you did for me. Thank you. Okay, so the reason we are gathered here is to celebrate this poor imposter. The bus driver, Prince Afamifuna.
What? My son? The bus driver?
Oh yes, Father, for quite a bit, I must say.
Excuse me?
Dad, I put aside all that had to do with royalty and took Chidozie with me on a quest in search of love. True love. A journey that I titled A Journey of a Prince. It was indeed a Herculean task, as I faced so many oppositions and failed attempts trying to find the one. But in all of that, nature decided to bless me with you, my darling. To all that is seated, my name is Afamifuna, the Crown Prince of Amanatu Kingdom, and I present to you Fiona Onwa, the one who owns my heart.
Well, my son, if we allow you to recount all your fantastic, tricky experiences, we will not live here today. But one thing for sure is that I am so happy that you've not only found yourself a friend, a sister, a mother, but most importantly, a wife as your queen. Shall we?
Sure. My princess, you can step forward.
Africa, beautiful place. Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah. Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah. This is Africa. This is Africa. My heritage. My mother's land. Our culture and tradition, they are unique. Our culture and tradition are unique. Ooh.